So we'll see if I can even do that first. Ooh, almost missed my handlebar there. It's not having gloves on. I swear it's messing me up. Alright, Justin. Oh. Snow got on the way there. Yeah, but if I figure out how to go live and use the camera, I'll be doing that. I don't just ride around on the streets. I also do mountain biking, but don't get to do that as often. Don't have a lot of time for that, so I'll just be going on rides. I do have a 6-hour ride coming up though, so that'll be fun. So, can't wait for that. That's in February. Would have been this weekend, but it was like the high was like 25 degrees. Apparently they didn't like that. For 6 hours, 25 degrees. They didn't like that. So, yeah. Oh, I'm not 50 that. But yeah, it's kind of more of a introduction video, but it's a video. A little bit of air on my front tire, but I mean, yeah, I guess it's better than no video. I don't know how much traction I'll get or anything with this. I don't know exactly what the algorithm likes currently, or whatever it does like. It's not of my interest, so I'm not gonna post it. I'm not gonna post some cringy brain rot stuff or anything like that. But yeah. So we'll see how far this little thing goes. I do stream on Twitch. My username is NVixie1336, same as my YouTube username. I don't stream very often. I usually stream with another person that also streams. They do BeamNG, it's a car game. They do BeamNG races, and pop in on there every once in a while. I try to every Tuesday, but don't always get to. So, but whatever I do, it's fun. I enjoy it. So, yeah. I don't know how loud I need to talk, because I don't know how good this mic is with the wind sometimes. It's turning red. Ooh, it's cold out here. What's the temperature?